Welcome back to another Microsoft 365 Message Center update. This update is basically just a clarification. So this has been reported for quite a while, so hopefully you're aware of it. They've just updated the information for readability, but it is an imminent change, so I think what we'll just read out anyway, just as a reminder so you're aware it's happening. But essentially, Exchange Online support for Active Directory Rights Management Service is retiring, and instead the recommendation is to use Azure Rights Management Service. This will be happening on February the 28th, 2021, this year, and you need to just make sure you're prepared for that. So Exchange Online includes information rights management that provides online and offline protection of email messages and attachments. Although Exchange Online uses Azure Rights Management by default, some organizations may have chosen to enable the on-premises Active Directory Rights Management service. But that is going to be retired. That will no longer be available as of February the 28th, and you should be moving to the AD RMS. No, not AD RMS. It should be removing to Azure RMS service instead. So if you are still using that on-premises version, please go and make those changes now. Update your Exchange Online services and make sure you are ready to rock and roll when that change happens. That's all for today. Thank you very much and goodbye.